In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a smooth 30 FPS slow motion on your clip in Davinci Resolve 16. So let's get started. To start this off, I opened up a clip in my timeline and I clicked on edit. That's what you want to do as well. Next up, click on the blade edit mode. No, by the way, click on, let's see. Yeah, we'll go with the blade one for now. And then basically cut out the part that you want to put in slow motion. Next up, select it with the select tool and right click. You can then click on change clip speed right there. First of all, you want to make sure to enable ripple sequence, and then next up, change the speed to your desire. I'll just go with 50%, and let's see, there we go. Next up, I'm going to click on change, and there you go. So right now, this clip is indeed in slow motion. However, it doesn't look pretty smooth, right? So this is kind of not the best clip to do this with. Anyway, what you want to do next to optimize this is select the clip and click on inspector right there. You'll then find all of this. You want to scroll down and click on retime and scaling, and then you can scroll down and then click on project settings right there and click on optical flow, and then motion estimation. You want to click on enhance better. And that's pretty much how you can do this. So right now it should look pretty smooth. Like I said, it's not the best clip to do this with, and because I'm actually screen recording, it's kind of laggy as well. But I promise you that this is one of the best ways to do this. So if this quick video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.